Alright, guys. New video. I'm gonna try to make videos as much as I can, but it's kind of unfortunate, man. Um, so I had a trade here. It was a really good trade, bro. Like, Price had to do some bullshit on me. You know how it is been lately. I could just say like, damn, I could have took profits, but you know what I'm saying, like, bro, like I could have, but the target was clear. I was targeting this high here at least. I wasn't even targeting the fucking the London high. But should I just try to like mitigate some losses here? Cause the way price has been moving, bro, like I am not fucking with it. I feel like because it is still inside this whole area here, but I feel like they're not gonna make this move without trying to take out like at least the fucking the data lows. Because if they're gonna reject the data highs up here and they're gonna move away from it so aggressively, they gotta at least take out the data lows, bro. It wouldn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? I mean, lately it hasn't been making sense, but fuck, bro, I can't really do much, man. Like shit, bro. Like I'm not too mad about it because I had a clear target in mind. But it sucks, bro. Like I could have made some good money, man. I ain't gonna lie. This is the data low, so that's why I moved it. Yeah, I'm out. I'm done. I'm done for the day, man. I think this is it, bro. This might be the move for the day. Well, at least I came out alive. I was down quite a bit, but basically, man, like so, this is what happened here. Okay, so I was watching this. At this point in time here, without this didn't happen yet. At this point in time, it was a little tricky. You know what I'm saying? Cause I could see both sides going. The thing that was so obviously I took a long, just right here. It was this trade here. Where is it at? Yeah, this one. So this trade. So I took a long. So the only things that was gonna go against me, the opposite side of it, it's the shorts. Like the only thing that the shorts was looking like to me was like so we had an SMT here, SMT, and really, and this was being respected at that point. Yeah, yeah, this should be able to take that up. But yeah. So basically, that was really just it for the shorts, because we were still inside his range here. This was a possible change in the state of delivery for it to go short, but I wasn't too confident with that because since we are inside this whole range here, I wanted to see a new SMT, like a what do you call that? Internal SMT, which it did give it to us now. But yeah, man, shit. That was really just it. That was gonna be opposing my bias, which is long bias. Okay, so the long bias is, we dropped down here, respected all these down here, inversion 4 hour, this void right here, filled it out completely and respected it. So that's confirmation for the longs, and then you can consider this as a shift to continue higher, take out these highs up here. You know what I'm saying? And the London high. I'm aware it's an SMT between them, but that doesn't mean it can't. Like that ain't guaranteed, bro. Because depending on what the narrative is, yeah, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause there's plenty of SMTs out there, like down here, like there's plenty, but it doesn't mean they're not gonna get tapped into. And plus, it's London high, bro. Like London liquidity is very sensitive. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go after that. So what gave me the confirmation to get in on that trade was this right here, this wick. I saw price drop down, then take out here on the ES, drop down aggressively, started moving up. I was like, yeah, that's the soup right there. I don't normally trade turtle soups and shit, but it just made a lot of sense. We were respecting a lot of these, bullish PD arrays. So I was like, okay. And there's an SMT right there, and it's aggressively pushing away from it. I was like, yeah, that's probably gonna hold. So that's why I entered right there, 67. And I put my stops here, and then price just started flying. And at this point, when price closed, I just moved my stops here. So this was the initial risk to reward right here. So we got in at 67, right? So let's go to the 5 minute, because this fair value played a crucial role. That's, man, it sucks, man. But this was the initial target. This, at least this, but this would be the overall target, as you can see. So that was it right there. But then as soon as this closed, I said, yeah, I'm gonna move my stops down here at the the low, that inversion candle. So it was really good. It's a really good trade. And price ran up quite a bit. Shit, how much did it run up? 67, like 60 points. 60 points, and I had like 10 contracts. So that'd be 10 times 60. So that's like 600, right? I could have took profits, bro, because we were so close to it. I normally would if we're really close to, like, that target. But I didn't even notice how much I was up on our trade, bro. If I did see how much I was up, I'm aware it says open P&L, but I didn't see it. Like, if I was aware how much I was up, I probably would have closed, because I would have seen, the dollar amount. I'd be like, oh shit, that's already good. So I would have took that shit, but I didn't. And price was so close to it, and it makes sense to take these out. Like, come on now, London high, really? At least this too. This is data high. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, it made a lot of sense why it should take out these highs, but it didn't, bro. I was like, damn. And I was telling myself, price could be on some bullshit and just not take it out, because it's been on some bullshit lately. And that's exactly what the fuck it did, bro. That shit sucks, man. It sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. You could probably still catch a trade here, to be honest. The reaction to this volume imbalance right here. That's why, I retraced. Let's see if there's a 5 minute fair value. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this shit could continue lower from here at this point, to be honest. Dang, it was really clean price action, but out of nowhere, it just started looking like shit now, bro. So we got a change in the state right here. Change in the state. It's respecting these, and we're closer to the data lows. So I don't see why it shouldn't take out data lows. Cause what the fuck, they just gonna do this? So, news, retrace, get really close to it, then drop back down and go back up. Like, come on now. Like, why would they do that? That shit just don't make no fucking sense, bro. I mean, they could, don't get me wrong, they could do that, but it just don't make any sense. I'll try to get in right here. Entry. My stops will have to at least be here. Maybe if I see something like some big displacement. So they close below this too. So now they inverted this fair value. Respected this fair value. So you can see this as a shift from here. You know what I'm saying? Tapped into it, respected inversion, respected the fair value to drop back down. Yeah, I could definitely see that. And then we have the higher time frame SMT. I think that might just be it for me today, man. No, me, I'll probably end up taking the trade, but I'll try not to. But yeah. So I'm gonna just end this here, I'll see you guys in the next one.